Returning now to the 35 horsepowers, its motorsports DNA was succeeded by numerous descendant models dedicated on the racetrack to street legal performance enthusiasts. Since 1967, Mercedes-AMG has been at the forefront of developing the performance and sports vehicles within Mercedes-Benz. Based in Affalterbach, Mercedes-AMG has been a game changer in the performance segment. Among the many iconic AMG models, the Mercedes-AMG GT is the true embodiment of motorsports DNA. Debuted in 2014, the first generation of GT was manufactured according to the motto, handcrafted by racers, which perfectly encapsulates the heritage and spirit of AMG. It provided everything expected from an authentic AMG sports car, from the characteristic styling and motorsports technology to the optimum weight distribution. In Korea, the GT's legacy began in 2015. Starting from the GTS and the GT, the lineup has been expanded to the stylish open-top GTC Roadster and the most powerful GTR, captivating already hundreds of sports car enthusiasts in Korea over the last 10 years. Building on this legacy, in 2025, GT returned more powerful, more dynamic, more stylish, and finally, so AMG. And now it is the moment we have all been eagerly anticipating. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present the true hero of today's show, this second generation, full changed Mercedes-AMG GT Coupé from Affalterbach. What a fantastic car. I must say, this is truly a rock star from Affalterbach. The model is the most charismatic, authentic, and emotionally thrilling representative of AMG and its performance legacy. To tell you now more about this remarkable vehicle, I would like to invite Kilian Thelen, Vice President at Mercedes-Benz Korea, here on stage. Kilian, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Matthias. Dear journalists, good to see you again. I'm Kilian Thelen. The new Mercedes-AMG GT embodies what AMG stands for, like no other vehicle. Perfectly blending motorsports DNA, accelerating racetrack capabilities, and everyday usability. Today, we continue the great legacy with the all-new generation of GT that has become even faster, smarter, and more dynamic than ever before. Let's first talk about design, because first impressions matter. The new Mercedes-AMG GT stays true to its heritage with a long sculpted hood, pronounced power domes, a wide stance, and an athletic silhouette to underline both power and presence. Unmistakably AMG GT and unmistakably Mercedes-AMG. Every line and every contour serves a purpose, enhancing aerodynamics for maximum efficiency, while the new lightweight materials make it both stronger and lighter. Responding to the wishes of our customers, the extended dimension concept also results in more functionality and space in the interior. Elegant materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and attention to detail underline the highest standards of luxury. The cockpit design, right down to the central display, focuses on the driver and creates a harmonious overall impression. For the first time, the new GT offers a 2+2 seating configuration, increasing versatility. When not in use, the rear seat backrests can be folded down, expanding the luggage capacity up to 675 liters, almost doubled compared to the previous generation. But of course, at the heart of every GT lies its beating soul, the engine. This car was built for the road, but it truly comes alive on the track. In Korea, the new GT will be launched as the GT55 4MATIC Plus in May and the GT63 SE Performance in the later part of 2025. The GT55 is powered by the one-man, one-engine AMG 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine. With 476 horsepower and 700 Newton-meter of torque, the vehicle accelerates from 0 to 100 in just 3.9 seconds. Impressively, its maximum torque matches that of the first generation's top performance model, the AMG GTR. Also, the new fully variable AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus system ensures seamless power delivery to all wheels, ensuring razor-sharp acceleration and the driving performance on Formula One level. Taking benefits from the extensive motorsports expertise of AMG, the aerodynamics of the GT guarantee optimal performance. An active aerodynamic system, including an adaptive rear wing and an active air control element in the front bumper, reduces drag at high speeds and increases downforce when cornering. All of this must be experienced, which is why we will invite every AMG GT customer this year to our AMG Speedway for an unforgettable racetrack experience.